Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Open Safari and go directly to the page you want as a favorite. On Mac, make sure the Favorites bar is visible via View. On iPhone or iPad, tap the Share or Bookmarks icon. Once on the page, you'll choose Favorites instead of a generic bookmark, so the site appears in the Favorites section or Start page. This matters because favorites are prioritized across devices when iCloud is enabled. Now proceed to add it with the next action. Now add and organize. On iPhone or iPad, tap Share then Add to Favorites. On Mac, click the Share button or Bookmarks menu and select Add Bookmark, choosing Favorites as the location. Rename the entry to something concise so you recognize it at a glance, and pick the correct folder if you use several. Once saved, rearrange by dragging favorites into the exact order you want on Mac, or tap Edit on iOS to move or delete entries. This keeps your most used sites front and center. Finish up by enabling iCloud Safari so your favorites sync across devices. This ensures the same top sites show up on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Once done, confirm the favorite appears on each device. If it doesn't, refresh the page or restart Safari to force a sync. If problems persist, check iCloud settings and your network connection, then toggle Safari sync off and on as a measured step. If that fails, sign out of iCloud and sign back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.